about customizing your HiveMind experience with the HiveMind skin. So as gamers, as designers, as coders, we understand that choice and customization is really important to owning a particular product. In the PC gaming world, that is really what helps separate us from the console experience, where the console experience is completely dictated outside of your control. You don't really have much choice other than, do I buy a Sony, do I buy a Microsoft, or do I buy a Nintendo product? With HiveMind, we wanted to extend that customization to this environment as well. And you can customize to your heart's content the entire HiveMind interface here if you want to go down to the coding level. If you aren't interested in changing it that drastically, but you would like to customize and personalize it, we have a couple different things that you can do. So this is appearance and the settings appearance area, and then we're going into skin, which on this menu we're selecting skin. Now settings is how you can start modifying even more with the skin itself. But we're going to start with just some basic things on the high level, and then we'll dive into some more advanced stuff probably in another video. So the first thing that I always do, I kill the navigation sound. Once you kind of get used to how the interface is working, you don't need the audible sound to tell you as you're going through the menus. So now that the sound is off, we basically went down here to navigation sound and just clicked the arrow button for off. Now we have a couple different themes. There's a concept of a theme and there's a concept of a color inside of HiveMind and inside of Kodi. Theme is universal overall. So let's do, my favorite one's green. So this is the green theme. And as you notice, it changed the background, it changed the highlights, and it changed this word standard in the lower left corner. That is a highlight color. That is actually determined by this setting. You'll notice theme and color currently are the same. We can change that simply by changing that color icon. And that changes basically important text. So let's go back to the home screen for a second. You can see the icons are green, you can see the background is green, but games is now coming up blue. And that's because we changed the color of that particular highlight text to blue. So that's what that means when you're trying to figure out what these theme versus color actually stand for. And you can do a green on red, you can do a green yellow, silver, purple, pink, orange, of course back to green. And those are the same colors that you're going to see if you go through the themes as well. Blue, yellow, silver, purple, pink, orange, and of course the default is red. So my particular taste, at least at this moment, we're going to do a purple, I guess maybe with a green, a little Mardi Gras going on. So that is some of the basics of how you can change this portion of the interface. If you want to go a little bit deeper, that's here in this menu. This is skin settings. And the most obvious thing that somebody might want to change is actually the background color. So the background color here is, or sorry, not the background color. The background itself can be changed by going down here to enable custom background and then choosing a background path. Now we've actually included a whole series of backgrounds that you can choose from in your interface, and we've color coded them as well. So if you're running the purple theme and you want a green background to match for Mardi Gras, you can easily do so. So there you go. We have green text, purple highlight, and a green background. And those again are located basically home folder, media, backgrounds, and then choose your color. And you can program in your own images here as well. So that's some of the basics of how you're customizing your HiveMind experience to make it more suitable to your